Alright, what's up guys? Mike Maxwell here. Today it's a little bit different because it's New Year's Eve for 2020. I'm going to do a little bit of smoking today. I got some baby back ribs from Walmart, and figured it's early enough. I just got done with work. If I start now, by the time it's around dinner time, maybe 4 o'clock in the afternoon or something, these things should be done. And I'm going to do this in the Minion Method. And so what I use Kingsford. Always use Kingsford, always. So I'm going to use that, and I'm also going to use this mesquite. Just going to clean it up, put some water in it, put some coals in it, get the coals going in the chimney, which somehow must have got ran over or something. I don't know, but it's all right. It'll work. A lot of times, the right amount is usually, like, if you have one of these, I'll take it and I'll use the bottom side. I'll flip it over and I'll just fill that up, and that's just about the right amount of heat, or the right amount of coals to get just the right amount of heat. And I'll put that in the center, and then it'll go around. So come with me and we'll do this all day long. Right now, like I said, it's about 6 a.m. What you doing, kitty? Alright guys, so we got the coals started. These coals will go. I'll let them get nice and hot, and I'll bring the baby back ribs down. I'm going to clean this thing up, make sure everything's all set to go. I'll put the water in there, and then I'll throw these down right in the center of this thing. And like I said, it's called the Minion Method. So it starts in the center, and then what it'll do is those coals will move, and they'll just work their way out. And this thing right here should last at least 6 to 8 hours. And if I feel like it needs a little more heat, I got some more briquettes that I could throw in there and keep it warm. So I'm going to let that thing go. They're already, the bottom of this section is already nice and red hot. So it'll take about 10 or 15 minutes and they'll all be ready to go. Alright guys, it's been about 2.5 hours. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning now, and this thing's been going. It's sitting at around it's sitting at about 225 degrees. It's just been sitting there. It's pretty good. And so now I'm going to pull it out, and I am going to wrap it in foil, and I'm going to add some brown sugar and some honey to the inside. I'm going to put it on a little bit of it, and I'm going to put it back on there and just let it sit for the rest of the day till maybe about 4, and it'll be at about 200 to 250, and that's it. So I guess when I come back, we'll be pulling this thing out. Alright guys, it's 3:30. Been in for 8 hours. And time to pull it off. Mikey's got the cutting board I'm going to put him on. Oh yeah.
That's right.
Okay, here we go.
You were going.
Hold. Make sure you hold on to it. Ooh, there. Oh, look at that. I'll probably just peel it. Oh, yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so that's how I cook or smoke my baby back. That's how I smoke my baby back ribs, and everything just falls right off the bone, and it's a beautiful thing. So I get a lot of my inspiration from T-Roy, and you can find him on YouTube, and so this is how we're going to party on down. We're bringing in 2020. We're going to party on down like it's 1999. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that way you'll be notified anytime I put up a video. And in 2020, I'm going to try to step it up a little more. We're coming up into Milky Way season. That should start out late February, early March. And we'll be able to start getting some Milky Way. I'm going to do some tutorials on how I edit the Milky Way, as well as the stacking and putting things together. So I think you guys are going to like those videos, and also take you into the field and show you all of my settings and how I go about getting that Milky Way shot. So until then, I guess I'll see you next year. Y'all be good. And party on down. 1999. See ya.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. See you next year. Tomorrow. Or
eat this. Partying on down like it's 1999. Oh, dude. Pepper. So this is how we're... That one, I almost lost it. The trash is like right here. Almost dumped it right in the trash. Would have been like 8 hours.
How many times did
8 hours for nothing.
Outro?
So, all right, I'm doing it again.
Oh my!
Yeah, I gotta do it again. Now I gotta think of what I gotta say again.
I need to make this brownie.
Quiet, get out of here.
I'm trying to make.
Go
brownie.
make sure that I'm good.
I actually need water.
Oh, that's better.
Awesome.
I put pepper on the things. I'm a baby back barbecue
I got a pepper too.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's us bringing it out. Blah, 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 blah. Like it's 1999. Alright, and we'll see you later.
You said smoking is cool. It's good.
I
Don't
know.
smoke. Like not this. With the food, yeah.